Hi, my name is Alejandra Quintero. Today I am going to talk about what do you have happened if. My experience to share with you is related to my trip to Alaska with my family in the cruise ship. Possibility. A big decision you have made, traveling to Alaska instead of Europe. A negative anecdote you have had. When out to sea in the Gulf of Alaska, we go very sick due to the heavy winds. Describe what you would have done different. If we had not gone to Alaska, we would have most likely gone to Europe. Think about how different it would have been if you had taken different decisions and what you regret about it. Instead of a cruise ship, we could have taken an airplane from Anchorage and to Juneau, and we would not have been seasick. First paragraph. What did you happen? A few hours after leaving port and while getting in the Gulf of Alaska, we faced rough seas due to the heat winds which made us all seasick. Had we traveled to Europe, we would have avoided the illusions. Where did you stay? We stayed in our room in the ship laying in bed. If we had moved around toward the middle in the ship, the sickness would have been much milder. When did it happen? The situation took place after the ship entered the Gulf of Alaska. Had the ship department on day early, there would have been no rough seas. Who were you with? I was with my husband and my daughter. If I could have afforded the extra cost, I would have taken my two small brothers along. Second paragraph. What was the matter? It so happened that we should not have stayed in bed. Did not help the seasickness from becoming more acute. How do you react at the moment? Adapting ourselves to the situation since and was totally out of our control. Had we not done we so would have felt much worse. What did you feel disappointed with? We felt disappointed that the trip was the short but could not have taken a longer one since they would have been much more expensive. How do that anecdote experience impact yourself? It made possible for us to see natural and pristine state, not polluted by mankind. We could not have been accomplished ourselves. Third paragraph. What did you regret about? There was nothing to regret since all about the trip was the two forever remembered. Had we not done it, we should have missed this much beautiful altogether. How did the tour finish? The tour finished when we disembarked in Vancouver, Canada, and start a new adventure by taking a train to the Canada Rockies. Had we not done so, we would have never known this beautiful place. How do you feel about the situation and how do you react? I feel very happy since we had successfully completed our goal. Otherwise, we would not have been moving forward the new one Canada. What did you regret about? The trip was such a marvelous experience that we had no regrets or all. Should we had and planned properly for in the goal not be accomplices. Thank you for attention.